Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Hey, good morning. This is Karl F. Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on one of my newer tablets here. As you can see, I got my face cam on here. Well, we're in the EZGlitch Android App. I keep putting my hand in front of the camera, so that's why I get that. Let me scroll my face down there. As you can see, you can edit. I'm gonna do a I'm gonna show you how to edit a video and do like a 3D effect. You need the upgraded version to do the 3D effect, but it's pretty cool. We're going to do this here. But as you can see, this cat here, there's the video. You have different options, and you can actually record from your device, and then you can edit a photo. But let's edit a video in here. Let's edit a video. See what we got here. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's edit these little cats here. Let's go in here. Okay, let's move me back up. Move me back up there. Full video. Okay, touch and hold. Okay. Yeah, it's just giving these are just the things here. Okay, let's go in here. Okay. I'm not going to put any sound on it. Part of my face cam's kind of part on there, but I got little bars down here. Let's go into 3D and see what we can do here. Let's make these cats 3D. Go into 3D, and as you can see, it's got these little bars, and I'm going to see how we can do this. And you got these really cool things here. So I'm going to do that. I like that effect here. So we're just going to go with that. I'll hit the little arrow at the bottom. Select. Let me move my face down there. Select the output, normal, high, or super high. I'm just going to go with high. Select high. Now it's processing. Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to get my face in here, but I'll just be on an angle, so you'll just have to deal with it. That's going pretty fast. It's just a little video clip here. Okay, and now it's processing. And there you go. It's kind of a cool little clip. I'm going to probably add some music and stuff to it, or some sound effects. But I just wanted to show you. Oh, and hit save. Better hit save. Remember, whenever you're editing something, you got to hit save. Let's see. Export. Okay, let's export. Okay. Okay, let me go over here. Now I'm going to share this. See if I can share it. I'll just share it to my Instagram feed here real fast. Trying to run all these applications at one time on my tablet, it kind of makes things run a little slow. So, okay, yeah, I got to keep moving my face around here. Got to crop the little areas. I hit that crop button. Yeah. Oops. Hit that. Yeah, I got to hit the crop. Okay. And let's go to the arrow on top here. Okay, I'm getting all these different messages here. My Instagram account has really taken off lately. Okay, let me move back up here again. Okay, I don't need to worry about the cover. There's the normal filter. I'm just gonna process and just move me down here again. And there we go. There we go. Okay. There. I'll just go with type a YouTube video presentation. Why? Oh, let's see. Cat. 3D cats. I'll just call it 3D cats. 3D cats. Oh, okay. 3D cats. 3. Oops. D cats. Yes. I'm not going to put any hashtags or anything in it. Okay, so go down there and then go into share. Great. Anyway, you get the idea. It's sharing on my Instagram, and I'm going to cut out part of this here. So anyway, let me get out of here, and let me hit stop recording. Here, okay,